Place both the feet together. Take inspiration and bring the arms up, interlocking the fingers. Exhale. While taking deep inspiration, raise the legs and the arms simultaneously. Hold on to this posture for 10 to 20 seconds and normalize your breath. While taking deep inspiration, come back gently. Exhalation, arms by the side. Feel the effect of the posture. Trikonasana, stand with the feet wide apart. Take a deep breath, raise your right arm. While exhalation, bend towards the left side gently. Go as far as possible. Try to touch the floor with the left hand. Normalize your breath. Come back gently by taking deep inspiration. Exhalation, arms by the side. Opposite side, deep inspiration, raise the left arm. While exhalation, bend towards the right side. Try to touch the floor with the right hand. Normalize your breath. While inspiration, come back. Exhalation, arms by the side. Veerbhadrasana. Stand comfortably with feet wide apart. Turn towards the right side without turning the left feet. Now flex the knee and the hip. Take a deep inspiration, raise the arms, joining the hands. Normalize your breath. Come back gently while taking deep inspiration. We'll do it on the opposite side. Turn towards the left without turning the right foot. Flex the knee and the hip. Take a deep inspiration, raise the arms, joining the hands. Normalize your breath. During inspiration, come back gently. Feel the effect of the posture. Now we will do Baddha Konasana or butterfly pose. Sit comfortably on the floor. Join both the heels. Hold the feet with both the arms. Now flap the legs like the wings of the butterfly. Do it for 10 to 20 seconds. It is very useful for strengthening the pelvic and the groin muscles, which felicitates normal delivery. Vajrasana, sit comfortably over the heels, placed wide apart. Place both the hand over the knee. Close your eyes and sit comfortably.